Hello, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. Today, I'm going to be covering an important topic in my Selling a Home series. How should my agent market my home for sale? Now, there are a lot of creative and proactive ways your agent can market your home for sale, but unfortunately, a lot of agents just take photos, not even professionally, put it in the multiple listing service, and wait for people to come see the home. Now, how you market the home for sale is almost as important as how you prepare the home for sale. So the marketing plan that I'm going to cover today is what my team uses when we list a home for sale, so you know what proactive steps we're taking to gain exposure, generate showings, and sell your home for top dollar. Now, it's important to remember that at this point in the process, my team has already worked with you to declutter, stage, make any necessary repair or upgrades, and anything else we agree on prior to listing the home for sale. So once those items are completed and we're ready to get the home on the market, you can expect the following: professional photos, drone photos, and an interior-exterior drone video. We believe that the number one most important part of advertising the home for sale is using a professional photographer who is going to accurately accent your home's features for potential buyers online. Our photographer will take approximately 100 shots for my team and sort through and determine which ones we'll use in advertising. In addition, they will take exterior drone photos and complete a full interior-exterior drone video. We use the videos under the virtual tour option in the multiple listing service that gets syndicated out to various websites. We also create 3 different versions of the video, one optimized for YouTube, one optimized for Facebook, and one optimized for Instagram. Floor plans. We'll send out another professional to the property to create a floor plan rendering of the property so that we can use to advertise to potential purchasers. This will be uploaded in the photos and also used in the print brochures. Feature sheets and property information. We will put together an extensive list of the home's features, including any and all updates you may have done and any features that might be desirable for resale. This document will be included in your property brochure that will be brought to the house the first weekend we hit market, and will also be uploaded in the document section of the multiple listing service for agents to review. Featured home on our website and YouTube channel. All of our listings will be featured until the home is sold on the first page of the Maiga Homes website and on the featured properties section on our YouTube channel. This way, buyers can easily find the property. Easy to use feature on our website, enhancing the buyer experience. Beyond being featured on the front page, when buyers click on a listing from our website, we have invested in features that make it easy for buyers to learn about your home quickly. On your property website, they can do all of the following: request a virtual or in-person showing, ask for more information, make an offer, see all the property information, drone videos, photos, share it on 5 different social media platforms, use a payment calculator to determine affordability options for the home, view comparable homes that have sold, and see walkability scores. Search engine optimization. We have a contractor dedicated to researching keywords and keeping our listings available for purchase at the forefront of search engines. Facebook and Instagram advertising. When listing with us, not only will we be advertising your just listed on both our Facebook and Instagram pages, but we also pay to run targeted ads to an audience that we custom craft based on who we think your likely buyer is going to be. Listing syndication. The multiple listing service already syndicates out to each listing to a preset amount of websites, but we pay to advertise on up to an additional 150 websites to get your home more exposure. This is really important because 99% of buyers are finding their listings online. An aggressive marketing campaign to other agents. When we list a home for sale, we're not just putting it in the MLS and waiting for it to get sent out. We are searching every agent within a 10-mile radius who has either represented a seller or buyer for a similar type of home and sending them a 10-day marketing campaign. This is a series of calls, emails, and texts that get your listing in front of agents who are most likely to have clients who will be interested in your property. Advertising to our database of affiliates, Sphere, and past clients. Because I sell a lot of homes, I have a large database of potential purchasers that we farm and advertise our listings to. Not only will it go out in a blast newsletter to my entire database, but my team will also go back through our database and call every person who is tagged with criteria that meets your home and offer them information on the property. An open house the first weekend you hit market. With your permission, we will host a safe open house on the first weekend you hit market. I will determine the best time and day based on what other open houses are happening that weekend to optimize your activity. This can breed excitement and can often generate offers sooner. In addition, in good weather, my team will also door knock 50 neighbors' homes and leave them property information, as 20% of the time your neighbor knows your buyer. I hope you now have a very clear idea of how Maiga Homes will market our properties for sale, which leads to the best possible result. If you found this episode informative and think you may be in need of my services at some point in the next year or at any other point in the future, please reach out to me at the information below and get your questions answered. Also, consider scheduling a consultation today. Please remember, I create custom moving plans up to a year in advance so you're comfortable and informed when we're actually ready to make a move. And as an added bonus, if I'm not able to personally assist you, I'm part of a global real estate company and can refer you to a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. Next week's episode will cover, if I hire an agent to sell my home, can they also represent the buyer? So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel today and tune in weekly to learn more about selling your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.